Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. So guys, I am back with another video on how to use Apple Watch, and today in this video we will see how to check your storage of your Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, so let's start the video and check out this method. For this, do one thing: go to your main app view or your home screen on your Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, just go ahead and open your setting application. Tap on setting, open setting, scroll down and go ahead and open general. In general, scroll down and there is an option called storage. Just go ahead and tap on storage, and automatically you will see your brief overview about your Apple Watch Ultra storage shown in the setting menu. And here just scroll down, and below you will see all the application which is consuming your storage on your Apple Watch Ultra or your Apple Watch. Okay, like this you can easily view your Apple Watch storage on your Apple Watch setting application, also the application which are consuming your storage on your Apple Watch. Okay, so guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if yes, I request you please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks, your Apple products like your Apple Watch and other things. So I hope it helped you, and if yes, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.